Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the AGIX, also known as the SingularityNet coin, on your Metamask. So once you've logged on to CoinMarketCap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. You then simply scroll down till you get to the About section. And once at the About section, all you need to do is simply copy its Ethereum address. So once you've done that, you simply minimize your web page and simply open up Metamask. So once Metamask opens up, your next possible step would be to switch from any network you're on to the Ethereum main network. So click on Smart Chain, click on Ethereum main network, and once the Ethereum main network has loaded in, all you need to do is simply click on Import Tokens. And now we're going to be importing the AGIX. So simply paste the contract address. And once you've pasted the token's address, its symbol and its decimal are going to be shown. And then you simply click on import. And now the SingularityNet token, or AGIX, is on your wallet. So our next step is going to be simply swapping out our Ethereum for some of the AGIX. So you simply click on this browser icon here and click on this tab and open a new tab, or simply log on to app.uniswap.org. And once you've logged on, make sure you use your Ethereum or your Ethereum balance to get the AGIX. So you could either search for AGIX or paste the contract address. So I'm going to paste its contract address here, paste its contract address, click on AGIX, click on continue, and boom, here we go. So for 0.005 of the Ethereum, you're getting about a really good amount of the AGIX, 37.42, and you're paying a gas fee of 5. So in all, you're paying for close to $16 worth of AGIX. So now I'm going to show you a cheaper alternative to get yourself the AGIX, which is using the centralized exchange known as Binance. And once Binance is opened up, if you could remember, $15 worth of USDT gets us 37 AGIX. So if you were to put in 15 and then type AGIX, click on this AGIX here, $15 gets us 57 of the AGIX instead of 37. So you're making really good profits here. Before you can do any of that, you'd need an account on Binance. And by simply using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to win 100 USDT trading fee rebates just by registering with our link. Now, before you can even convert, you would need to deposit crypto. So you simply deposit your crypto here, and then you head over to your wallet section, where you simply click on spot or funding, whichever it might be, and click on withdraw, and simply click on AGIX. Click on this AGIX now, click on send via crypto network, paste the recipient address, which is our Metamask address here. So once Metamask opens up, you simply copy its address. So simply click on this AGIX, click on receive, copy its address, open up your Binance, paste the address there, and we are going to be sending 57. So we're going to be receiving 38 of the AGIX. So that's the gas fee, I guess. It's getting a network fee of 19 AGIX. So now all you need to do is simply send it here, and you receive your AGIX on your Metamask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy AGIX on Metamask, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.